your turn.
It's gonna crash already.
Oh, okay.
Look what my train's gonna do.
Crash! Uh-oh!
No, it's stuck.
Unstuck it.
The dinosaurs!
Look what you done. The dinosaur.
Poor dinosaurs. Uh-huh.
And the conductor is, your name is, sir? What is your name, sir? Mr. Aldridge? Hello? What is your name, Mr. Conductor?
Logan May.
Are you the conductor?
Yes.
You're responsible for that crash?
Are you responsible for the crash on the tracks today?
Yes.
And how many dinosaurs were killed?
29.
Oh my gosh! Was there any blood?
No.
No blood? No guts?
No.
No blood, no guts, no glory. Are you all done, sir?
That train.
Thank you very much, sir, for your train rides today and your crashes. Goodbye.
Bye.